Okay, so hello guys. So welcome again to my YouTube channel. So it's been a long time that I made another tutorial like this. So for today I will teach you how to fix this in SQLYOG. I have a big problem for this, but now I already knew how to fix it. Okay, when you click that new connection, then let me clear this one. When you click new, then new connection or what name that you want. Okay, let's delete this first so we have a fresh new one. Okay, so I delete that, then I click new for the new SQL. You can put name any name that you want. SQL, yeah, sure, I'll try that one. So this is the default. As you can see, this is the port, then this is the local host, okay, of the MySQL, then this is the root. Then let's try if we can access the database on my laptop. We have the same problem. This is for you. Okay, let's try the connection. Did you see that error to plugin caching? You cannot access your database or your SQL server. Okay, so if I try another one, this is my another what do you call this? You can see access denied at your home. So how to fix this one? Okay, so I'll tell you how to fix this. I already fixed this. Just follow my step. Okay, so let's close this application. Okay, so after you close that, if you are using the latest database, I will show you where I already. This is version of 8.2. So if you already installed that, okay, let's go to fix that. Okay, I'm not good in English, I'm sorry, I'm from Philippines. Okay, type SQL, SQL, no, MySQL, yeah, you can see that MySQL installer. You click that one, then yes. After that, wait until the open. We need to configure the server. Okay, MySQL server, we need to reconfigure that. Then you click next. Then in this, you don't choose this one. You don't choose this one. Okay, so you need to use legacy authentication method. This one I have problem because of this. Okay, so use this one. Click next, then put your current password that you put when you're installing this one, the server. Okay, next, then next is okay, then execute. So I have I do a lot of research on YouTube about this. I cannot find tutorial that can help me. I do this by myself. Okay, so I hope this will help your problem if you have same problem. After that, you close that one, then open the SQLYOG, LYG, then create new. I put try again. MySQL, yan. So should I put that? Then localhost root. Okay, you need to put this one, root. Okay, then your password. So if you think what is the password, you have your own password, your server password. Okay, so before you install the SQL, you put the password there. So you need to put here. Okay, so test connection successfully. Okay, I have a version of 8.0 SQL database. Okay, so connect. Yeah, you have changed your connection details. You want to save? Yeah, I will save that. To that, you already can use this now. You can use now the SQLYOG. Okay, so I hope this tutorial will help you. So if I help you, please do me a favor, just subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also give me a tons of like, so I will give you more tutorial. Just comment down below if you have a problem, okay? So I will do my best to reply into your comment. So thank you.